Welcome back to Nuance Art, your destination for the most stunning home and interior design inspirations from around the world. Today, we invite you on a magical journey into the heart of the Swiss countryside to explore a unique architectural wonder, a circular stone house nestled into a hillside where nature, romance, and design live in perfect harmony. This isn't just a house, it's a love letter to natural materials, minimalist aesthetics, and intimate living. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a romantic at heart, or simply searching for creative ideas for your dream home, you'll find endless inspiration here. Don't forget to subscribe to Nuance Art, give this video a thumbs up, and leave us a comment sharing your favorite feature of this home. Now let's dive into the details of this breathtaking Swiss hillside retreat. Imagine waking up each morning surrounded by the quiet majesty of the Swiss Alps. This circular stone house is perched on a gently sloping hillside, offering panoramic views of untouched forests, wildflower meadows, and the occasional passing cloud. What makes this location truly special is how seamlessly the home integrates into its natural environment. The hillside acts not only as a scenic backdrop, but also as part of the building itself, with the structure partially embedded into the land. The use of native stone and reclaimed wood allows the home to practically disappear into the landscape, blending ancient tradition with modern elegance. This thoughtful placement doesn't just create aesthetic beauty, it also enhances insulation, reduces energy consumption, and creates a deep connection between the home and its environment. This house is truly where architecture bows to nature, not the other way around. The circular form of this house is more than just an architectural statement. It's a symbol of wholeness, harmony, and flow. In contrast to rigid angles and linear structures, a circular home feels open, organic, and intimately human. The round shape invites movement and connection between rooms while creating a central point of focus that draws people inward. It also maximizes natural light, with windows strategically placed along the circumference to capture the sun's journey from dawn to dusk. Interior spaces spiral around a core living area, creating cozy yet connected zones for cooking, resting, and relaxing. The circular layout also enhances airflow, making the home feel cooler in summer and warmer in winter. In this design, every curve serves a purpose, not just structurally, but emotionally, creating a soft, serene energy that you can feel the moment you step inside. At the heart of this home's aesthetic is its use of authentic Swiss stone, quarried locally and selected for its texture, durability, and visual warmth. These stones form the exterior walls, bringing a rustic charm that contrasts beautifully with the refined interior. Inside, stone continues to play a role, grounding the space with natural colors and earthy textures. But it's not all stone. Reclaimed timber beams, clay-based paints, and wool insulation complete the picture, offering a tactile experience that appeals to all the senses. These materials are not just beautiful, they are sustainable, long-lasting, and deeply respectful of the environment. Every element was chosen with care, ensuring that the house feels not just built, but grown from the land itself. This is a place where design serves nature, not just decorates it. The central living area is a masterpiece of warmth and intimacy. Surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass panels, it offers unobstructed views of the landscape while remaining sheltered and serene. A circular fireplace serves as the room's beating heart, providing not only warmth but a gathering space for quiet evenings or lively conversations. Furniture choices lean toward low, rounded forms that echo the home's shape, fostering a sense of inclusion and comfort. Every seat has a view, every surface invites touch, and every detail, from the handcrafted light fixtures to the soft woolen rugs, speaks of thoughtfulness and care. This space doesn't shout luxury, it whispers tranquility, making it a haven for those who value emotional richness over extravagance. While this house could easily accommodate a family, its layout and details speak clearly to a romantic escape for two. The bedroom is tucked away in a quiet corner of the circular layout, offering privacy, silence, and views of the stars through a hidden skylight. A deep, stone-crafted soaking tub sits beside a curved glass wall, letting you bathe while watching snowfall or sunlight. The kitchen is small but perfectly formed, ideal for shared meals and slow mornings. Every corner of the home encourages closeness, from the double reading nook to the shared workbench in the artist's studio. It's a place designed to slow time, deepen connection, and create memories. If you've ever dreamed of disappearing into the mountains with someone you love, this is the sanctuary you've been waiting for. This house proves that sustainable design can be luxurious. Rainwater collection systems, geothermal heating, and solar panels ensure the home operates in harmony with nature year-round. The circular shape reduces heat loss, while thick stone walls keep the interior cool in summer and warm in winter. Even the landscaping is eco-conscious, with native plants and edible herbs replacing traditional lawns. The architects went beyond green building checklists. They created a home where sustainability is embedded into every decision. But this functionality never compromises on beauty. The home still feels indulgent, with handcrafted furnishings, custom cabinetry, and designer lighting. This is eco-living elevated, where every choice is both ethical and elegant, showing that living responsibly can also mean living beautifully. One of the most enchanting features of this home is how effortlessly it transitions between inside and outside. Wide, curved sliding doors open the living space onto a stone patio that hugs the hillside. Here, you'll find a small garden, a fire pit, and a natural stone path that winds up to a lookout point. Whether it's a summer picnic or a winter snowfall, the home invites you to be a part of the natural world around you. Even the interior layout supports this flow. Natural stone floors continue from indoors to outdoors, and furniture is arranged to frame the landscape, not compete with it. In a world where homes are often sealed off from nature, this one embraces it completely, offering a daily reminder that we are part of something much larger and much more beautiful. There are countless lessons to take from this extraordinary home. First, simplicity is powerful. The most memorable spaces aren't always the most extravagant. They're the ones that tell a story, use honest materials, and stay true to their environment. Second, form and function must dance together. A circular home isn't just visually interesting, it's energy efficient and emotionally grounding. Third, design can deepen human connection to nature, to each other, and to ourselves. Whether you live in a city apartment or a country cabin, these principles can guide your own design journey. Think natural, think intentional, and above all, think emotionally. That's the kind of home that truly feels alive. Thank you for joining us on this tour of one of the most soul-stirring homes we've ever featured, a Swiss circular stone house on a hillside, where design meets emotion and nature becomes your closest neighbor. This home isn't just a place to live, it's a place to feel, to love, to reflect, and to reconnect. We hope it's inspired you to think differently about space, sustainability, and the power of thoughtful architecture. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe to Nuance Art. Give this video a like and leave us a comment. What's your favorite detail in this hillside retreat? We have many more beautiful homes and design ideas coming soon, so stay tuned. Until next time, let your home be your most personal work of art.